Mistplay App, play to earn cash out rewards and gift cards. So here's the app, you can see it. Start your earning journey with Mistplay. Get rewards that go beyond the game with our official rewards app for iPhone. Since launching in 2016, we've given out more than 100 million USD worth of rewards to users globally. Earn rewards for everything from games to tournaments, service, quizzes, and more. Try it out. And let's just check it out. Sign in with Apple iPhone. So here you can just see that. So you can select your username. And then you can select your birth date, just as an example. Mail. And then you have all of these kind of games where you can, for example, quick games, 25 trophies when you score 5,000 or higher. So you just play some easy game just inside of the app, and you can just tap on any blocks and choose an empty cell to move it from shape to left. So that's basically the idea. And that's nothing works for me, so something like, all right, so then you need to move it to the 4. All right, so then this just and then that's basically how it works. And then, for example, I just do this. So kind of game like that, and I need to reach score 5,000, and then I will get some points. So that's the idea. And then you can also play some game trivia. And then this is just the idea. And then you have surveys. And then there are some tournaments. And then there is shop. And then there is your profile. Then there is some missed code. I don't know where you can get this code. But yeah, so that's the idea how you can just earn this. You have your balance. I don't know how to withdraw it. Seems it's possible to withdraw it. Then there are also tournaments. And that's it. So you can always easily delete your account and data. So try it out.